Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we'll be going on Insecure DOR or Direct Object Reference Vulnerability series. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, let's head over to Linux VM to start. So the first is to choose the bug. What we are going to do in this video would be A4. A4, yes, this one, hack. So here, how many movie tickets would you like to order? So this is a ticket order application, and €15 per ticket. I would like to order 1 ticket. Yes, to the amount charged from your account, automatically €15. This is, not secure at all. If you check the source code, you will know there is one hidden element or input element. And so its value by default is 15. And this is some sort of the client inputted or client supplied data. This is not secure at all. We can use proxy tools such as Burp Suite to manipulate it. Okay, let me do it now. We can enable Intercept option and we can trigger the request one more time. So you can see from the request body, there are 2 key value pairs or the information which will be submitted or posted to the application. One is ticket quantity, so we can easily manipulate quantity here. But the more dangerous one is price. So we can change this to, for example, like €1,000 and send it. You see? Total amount charged from your account automatically is 1,000. Okay, very bad. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.